Okay, so I think we're live. Yeah, we are live. In fact, dot 6:30. ডট 6:30টার সময় লাইভ এন্ড অ্যাজ প্রমিসড আজকে আমার সঙ্গে লাইভে একজন গেস্ট রয়েছেন। পার্ডন দি সাউন্ডস অ্যান্ড সেই গেস্টের জন্যই ওয়েট করছি আমি। বেশ কয়েকদিন আগে আমি ওটিটি প্ল্যাটফর্মে বন্দিশ ব্যান্ডেটস দেখি এবং বন্দিশ ব্যান্ডেটস দেখার পরেই আই হ্যাড so many reactions and I really wanted to get in touch with both the lead actors of Bandish Bandits এবং তার মধ্যে থেকে I could actually get in touch with Ritwik first. So Ritwikকে আমি মেসেজ করে বলি if he would be interested to share a live with me and he very generously agreed and he said that yes, I would love to be a part of it. So today I am going to host this live along with Ritwik. So yes, Ritwik will join me shortly. Let's see. I think he'll be here anytime, any moment. Hey,
Hi.
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 How
How
are you?
are you? I'm good. I'm just gonna fix the camera. There we go. All right. Hi.
All right. Hi. How are you?
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
I'm so jealous of you. For a change, কারোর তো কুড়ি কুড়ি মানে
Why?
2020 ভালো গিয়েছে. Oh, so you understand Bangla, right? Or you don't?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ একদম ভালোভাবে বুঝি আমি বাট 2020 অনেকজনের I hope অনেকজনেরই ভালো গেছে I hope.
Well, I won't be saying it. আমার তো খুব একটা ভালো যায়নি. Work from home and work for home I'm literally, sort of sandwiching myself every day. So yeah, but I'm happy for you. At least you've got a very good debut and people have really liked your work. I
Thank you.
personally felt very, very nice to watch you perform on screen and to sort of, I'm guessing you're way younger than me. So with your age and the kind of portrayal of the character that you did, I felt that it really required a level of depth which you had. So I loved your performance. First of all,
Thank you.
congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you. What you said is really, really, really kind. And I don't know, these are heavy words. So I don't know if I can match up to all of those or if my performance matched up to all of those. But the fact that you said it, it's a huge deal for me. And I'm glad that you think that I'm a young guy. As long as nobody knows my age, I'm very happy.
And I thought only women have problem telling their age.
No, no, I don't have any issues telling my age, but it's just that everybody's that I'm very young and I love that. I love it. Let them live in the bubble.
Perfect. Yes, please, please. Okay, so let me start with your journey. Let me just first ask that when did this whole acting ka kida sort of bite you, and how did you decide to become an actor? And from Ranaghat to Bangalore to Mumbai to this whole array of things that you've done in your life so far at a very young age. How did all those things shape up and how did it happen? Matlab, how has your journey been so far?
It has been great. I think I was very, I tell this story very often, so I'm going to keep it concise. That I was 4 or 5 years old, when I first realized that I want to be an actor. And that back then I didn't even know that acting is a profession or it's a form of art. All I knew ki there is somebody on this TV screen who makes me very happy, and I want to do that. Like I want to be that. I used to say things like I want to be a hero. Of course, back then I didn't know what acting is and so on and so forth. But yeah, so that's how the journey has been exactly like that. I'm still that 4 5 year old kid who still wants to be that guy in the TV screen. And funnily, he already has become that guy, and his journey has begun. So that's great. And many Rana Ghat থেকে নিয়ে, there's Bangalore, there's Bombay, there's Aurangabad, there's Mysore. I've lived in many cities, so
Mm-hmm.
which has helped me grow as a diverse person than by being from one region or one city and so on and so forth. I'm a Bong who never lived in Calcutta, but has so many roots and memories and has so much fondness for that city and that state because so many people I love are there. So many things that I love are there. The food and just the places. So I'm glad, that my parents traveled so much because it actually made me a diverse human being. So my journey's been great, yeah. It's been lots of fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you started with
modeling. You sort of did a few campaigns for different brands. You did
Right,
advertisement, if I'm not wrong. And
right.
after that, you probably did theater as well.
Hmm.
Are you still a part of theater?
Yes, yes, I keep continuing. I started doing theater when I was 10, 9 or 10 years old. So I've been doing theater from past 19 years now. So
Okay.
theater has always been with me. So,
Is it because of
yeah.
theater that you met Anand Tiwari, or I mean, what
No,
was the
so
connection?
Anand sir and I met because he was making, Still and Still Media Collective was making another show called Gabru, which was
Okay.
about the hip hop culture for Discovery and all of that in India. So,
Mm-hmm.
and I had tested for a very small part for that show, and
Mm-hmm.
uh, and I got selected, and I wanted to do that show because I really was fond of Anand Tiwari's work. As a director also. By then, Bang Baja Bharat had already come out, and I just loved that show. I I thought that it was
Okay.
a fantastic show. So
Mm-hmm.
that's how we met. I started working with him, and I did that small part, and that was the first time I met him. And it didn't happen because of, in the sense, we didn't meet during our theater days, but I did see him on stage a lot of times, and I used to just be
Okay.
in awe of the kind of actor he is, and some great work that he's done. Very recently I
Yes.
saw this play of his. I saw it back to back like twice or thrice. It's called One on One, and it was
Okay.
fantastic small pieces that he was doing. So how that man shifts between being a screenplay writer to a producer to a director to a
To a
theater,
director,
how
to
he
an
just
actor,
holds
yeah.
these hats. It's just amazing, and he really inspires me. So yeah, but I met him during Gabru, yeah, during another show.
Okay, so your surname for us Bangalis, for us Bongs is very normal. Okay, but Bollywood
Bhowmik,
এই ভৌমিক সারনেমটাকে লোকে কিরকম
yeah.
ভাবে নেয়? আদৌ কি লোকে ঠিকঠাক বলে নাকি এমনি পেছনে লাগে কি করে?
না না পেছনে লাগা তো বলিউড has nothing to do with that. পেছনে লাগা তো স্কুলের টাইম থেকে চলে আসছে, and I really enjoy it. A lot of people even have made nicknames for me through my surname, and it's very endearing because they call me these names with a lot of love, and তো পেছনে লাগা তো অনেক বছর ধরে চলছে. Lot of cinema
Okay.
and people in cinema, they do get the reference of Ritwik comes from Ritwik Ghatak and Bhowmik comes from Sachin Bhowmik. So they always ask me, are you related to
Are
any
you
of them?
related to Sachin Bhowmik?
No, I'm not. Not at all. Dur tak in my family, there is nobody who has anything to do with filmmaking or any parts of it. But
Okay.
from here on, hopefully, if coming generations in our entire family, if they want to be in the film industry, they'll be related to Ritwik Bhowmik.
Of course, they'll know a bhomik.
They'll
Okay,
know
so
about it.
I wanted to ask you, how did you imagine your debut to be? Because I'm sure the time when you started, sort of seeing yourself on the bigger screen, OTT was not a big thing, it was just coming in. So,
Right.
what was your dream debut like at that time?
Uh, I, I see. I don't want to sound modest, and I don't want to sound intellectual about this, but I did not have a picture of a dream debut. I did not literally have a palette ki hoga to aise hi hoga. That wasn't there for
Hmm.
sure. But I always wished and hoped every young actor does that. Honestly, every young actor wishes and hopes that whatever they do is presented in a grand manner, and the entire country, the entire world gets to watch it. Whether it's bad or good, that's now left up to people gauging it. But people should get to see it. Why do so
Okay.
many people say that I want a Dharma launch or a Yash Raj launch? It's because you know that a
Hmm.
Dharma Yash Raj will present you in a
True.
very grand manner. But here I am, who just got his debut and from Amazon Prime Video, and it blew everybody's mind with the way they marketed the
Yes.
show, the way they promoted the show. It reached
Yes.
200 countries. People from Dubai, people from Australia, people from Turkey have messaged me, and I was like, wait a second, did this really happen? Like it didn't have to be any other studio. Amazon themselves just went out of their way, and I think they kind of knew the potential of the story, and
Hmm.
the fact that both Shreya and I are newcomers, and both of us are not even social. So we didn't really come with a lot of support from the audience in the sense कि अगर इनको ले लो तो show तो चल जाएगा. It was never that. But Amazon Prime Video and CNC Media Collective had so much faith in their own product that they could go with new faces, unknown faces. And they, on the other hand, they actually wanted faces that nobody had ever seen. They really wanted a fresh pairing, and that's what they did. So it was great. This was my dream debut.
No, okay, yeah, of course it is, because really the content and the everything put coming in together and binding elements of the story, be the music, be the performances, or the kind of people who have acted in the series rather, everything just comes together. It has been marketed well, people have really accepted it well, so nothing could have been better for sure. But still, I always wanted to know, when Bandish Bandits happened, what came first, the thought of a musical or the story? What exactly came first? Did I was curious, did Shankar Ehsaan Loy come on board first and then they thought of doing a musical, or the story was written first and then they thought, maybe we can just present it as a musical? So how did this happen? Are you aware of it?
No, so yes, I am. I am. I had asked the same question to both Anand and Amrit long back. So basically, what had happened was Anand sir was doing a play. I'm going back to when the seed of, like, when the germ of the story had been conceived. Okay,
Right.
so Anand sir was doing a play, and in one of his rehearsals, there was another friend of his who was also an actor, a fantastic
Okay.
actor at that. His name is Namit Das. So he was also in that play, and they used to do rehearsals every evening. One evening. Walks in, and Anand sir sees that he's a little glum. So he asked him, what happened? Why are you so in thought? He said, yeah, my
Mm-hmm.
father, and Namit Das's father, is a legendary ghazal singer, a
Okay.
fantastic musician. His name is Mr. Chandan Das. And
Mm-hmm.
Chandan Das, যদি আপনি নাম শুনে থাকুন তো,
Mm-hmm.
he's a huge name in the music industry.
Okay.
So his father was sitting in the balcony while Namit Bhai was leaving his home, and he saw his father, who was also lost in thought, and he asked his father, what happened? Why are you sitting like this? Like, you seem
Mm-hmm.
like you're thoughtful about something. And he said, पता है, पिछले 18 सालों से मैं राग यमन के ही रियाज कर रहा हूँ. आज जाके थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आया.
Mm-hmm.
That is what he told him. And then Navin Bhai told this to Anand sir, and Anand sir, just his mind just got blown. This legend of music, who's been practicing this rag from 18 years, has this evening had a realization that probably today I've understood something.
Right.
When the germ of Indian classical music came into Silencio Media's head, and they said we have to do something with classical music. Then they wrote this story about a Kharana. They did this mad amount of research, and then they approached Amazon. Amazon loved the idea, and then when they had to choose who's going to give the music, is when the Shankar Ehsaan Loy stepped in and said they love to be a part of it, and then Bandish Bandits was born.
Oh, nice. I was very curious about this, so now I have
Yeah.
my answer. I wanted to know another thing. Now, this is a very tricky question because you might actually play safe and you might be a little diplomatic on this, but I would still want to ask you, what do you think? OTT audience, are they more intelligent than the big screen audience? Are they more accepting? Are they more sort of welcoming when it comes to the new talent? Because I personally love what OTT has to offer. And honestly, I do not see the size of the screen doesn't matter to me that much, because content at the end of the day, transcends through mediums to me. Okay. Because I work in radio and I'm talking to a person who is basically an actor. So it's basically content that connects us. So I wanted to know that what is this? What is this? This whole renaissance that has happened with OTT, and then people are basically going gaga over it. And on the top of that, there's this pandemic. People are stuck at their in their homes and they are watching content on OTT platforms. Do you think people are more accepting? They're more intelligent. They probably know what they are seeing. They have the right eye and the right sight for the talent. And do you think that it's a good change? Because I personally love this change.
Uh, the audience is the same. Whether they are
Is
watching
it?
films or whether
Is it?
they're the same. They're the same. I'll tell you.
So you
I
want to
don't
tell me
think.
that a person who watches Salman Khan's film in a big screen, mostly I have a special term for that, and I will not be diplomatic. It's very similar to chick flick. I'm not going to take the name of it, but then yeah. So do you think that people who actually go to big screen and watch a Sallu Bhai ka film, they are also watching Bandish Bandits. Do you think that?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. There are so many Salman Bhai fan pages that follow me, and there's so many people who reached out. So I'm saying that the audience is the same, you know. Like I don't think people in the first few days after Bandish Bandits release or when Bandish Bandits release, people didn't come to see कि ये नया लड़का है चलो इसको support करते हैं या ये नई लड़की आई है who are these new faces. No, nobody came to see that. They came to
ठीक है.
see a show because they had time, you know, or they came to see Naseer sir, or Anand sir's fans came to watch it, or Atul sir's fans came to watch it, or Shankar Ehsan Loy's fans came to. But people, what really worked for the show is word of mouth. You know, when people started liking the show, when people actually
Hmm.
connected with the thought of the show, with the storyline of the show, what the show is trying to say, and when people, I mean, I'm just being a big mouth and going to compliment myself and share that when people started liking our work, you know, and they felt that कि ये दोनों अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, that is when they started, you know, suggesting it to other people, and more people came in, saw it, suggested to other, because I know a lot of people, you know, sent me screenshots of their WhatsApp groups where their families or friends are talking about, yeah, Bandish Bandits, dekhi, it's a good show. You know, so word
Hmm.
of mouth really, really helps us. So in the same way, if Bandish Bandits was a film, if it was being put up on screen and Shreya and I were the lead pair, nobody would buy a ticket to come watch the two of us, because what is the guarantee that you will like it? You know, if 2 out of 10 people would come, then two of them will watch it, two of them hopefully will like it, and two of them will go out there and talk to, you know, and say कि यार ये फिल्म भी अच्छी है, ये दोनों जो बच्चे
Hmm.
आए ये बड़ा अच्छा काम करते हैं, जाके देख लो, and then it will pick up and then it will work. You know, films like
Right.
Badhai Ho, films like Vicky Donor, you know, these films work because of word of mouth. As simple as that. You know, when Vicky Donor came, nobody said कि यार आयुष्मान खुराना की फिल्म आ गई है यार. No, nobody. Everybody knew that he's the guy who hosts shows on television, and that is only people who used to watch television. You know, so people
तो बड़े
connected with
बड़े
the
फिल्मों के
content.
साथ भी वर्ड ऑफ माउथ स्ट्रैटेजी काम करता है. आई विल टेक एन
But
एग्जांपल
see,
लाइक
Salman sir,
फॉर एग्जांपल जब वी मेट. फॉर एग्जांपल
hmm,
जब वी मेट
correct,
वाज अ फिल्म दैट हैड वेरी very small amount of marketing budget. And
correct,
I remember that span particularly because I was in college, and all my
right.
friends told me one day, you know, there's this great film, we must go together and watch it. And I had not seen an
Right.
ad or a trailer of the film till then, but I was blown over when I actually went and watched the film.
Yeah,
So Shahid Kapoor by that time was actually a name, and so was Kareena Kapoor Khan.
correct.
But
Absolutely.
that did work on basis word of mouth.
Word
Now,
of mouth.
just to
Yeah.
now to just add what you said and I'll take a clue from there. There are two parts of an OTT audience. Let's just
Hmm.
say we're not going to talk about that. There are also two parts of the actors who are working for OTT platforms. For a lot of them, it's their second innings, and they have not been actually, what do you say, they've not been actually given their dues. They've not been given the right amount of respect or work or the kind of adulation that they deserve when it comes to their body of work, when it comes to their acting skills. For a lot of people, like a Madhavan, maybe an Amit Saad, for a lot of these actors, a Sushmita Sen for that matter, it is their second innings, and it is something that they are doing, and we are loving it. And they again have been in some way or the other rejected by the big screen in some way or the other. Let's just not, okay, it's a very generic statement, and I really don't want to be harsh. I do not mean to sound harsh, but at the same time, they're not as popular as the other mainstream big actors. Okay, but for them, OTT is a second innings. It's a second chance. It's again a way to work, to do the thing that they love the most, and it's a passion, it's their calling, and we are loving that bit. So word of mouth is of course there when it comes to Bandish Bandits, but you know, as a consumer of an Amazon Prime or a Netflix, I regularly look out for new content, and I know the people who are of my, say, of my section, of my peer, of my friends, of my circle, they also do the same. They would actually see the trailer and try and decide whether to watch this film or watch this series or not, which unfortunately does not happen that much. Now it's still happening with the big screen. Okay. So that way which is why I said that I love OTT and I love the type of content that it's offering right now. and it's lovely that you guys are actually there. And the most fascinating thing about OTT, according to me, is that it's going to be there. You know, you can just go back to it as and when you want. What do you think that
Exactly.
is the most fascinating bit of OTT, according to you?
About its reach, you know, economically, it becomes extremely difficult for, say, for example, if I'm doing a film, it gets exhibited with the limited sources that we have for a film. It would get exhibited to, say, around 3,000 screens in our country, you know, and
Mm,
another 800,000 screens across the world. And
mm,
that's what, 4,000 screens across the world, you know. And with
yeah,
things like Amazon Prime Video or Netflix or any other OTT platform, every phone is a screen, every
yeah,
television,
true.
you know. So we have close to 1 billion screens that can watch us, you
Yeah.
know. And there are 200 countries across territory, you know, that can access our work. That the reach that OTT platforms have, because they are not bound by the economics of the exhibition and distribution of the product, you know.
Mm, mm,
It's a huge deal for whether the creators, the actors, the writers, for their work to reach so many places, you know. So that's one of the best things ever. Other than that, as you said, I completely agree that OTT is giving chances to anybody and everybody. And if they feel that you're fit for the role, or if you deserve it, then they give you a chance, and that's great, right? Whether it's somebody's first innings, or second innings, or third innings, or whatever it is, it's fantastic. And all we should do, you know, as consumers, that we should absolutely tell ourselves that, you know what, this person is really good. We missed out on a chance of watching them earlier, but they're back. You know, so support them, watch their work, appreciate them, adore them, tell them how much you love the work. But in the same time, because outreach spreads faster than love, especially on internet, I think we should refrain from saying things like कि देखा ये सिनेमा में होता ना तो इसको कभी नहीं मिलता, ये OTT आया तब मिला. No, let's just enjoy the
mm,
fact
mm.
that they are back and they are doing
True.
such good work, and just admire them. As simple as that. And I love that. And it's very true that it's one of the best things about the OTT that this is happening. And so much love for them, yeah, for everybody running these platforms, you know. And there's so much confidence they have in themselves to
Mhm.
risk it and make such decisions, you know. So that's great.
Okay, so tell me something. You right now you are the sensation bola jate pare. There are a lot of
Hmm.
my listeners who are on my page and they've been dying to sort of see you, and they really adore you. A lot of them they have huge crushes on you. I just want
Hi.
to know what is the weirdest thing, weirdest message or weirdest thing that you've received from a fan by so far. What is the most weirdest thing
Weirdest
that has
thing.
happened?
Weirdest thing. I don't know. There are a couple of people who keep if you don't reply to their comment or message, they just get extremely upset. And as much as I've tried to explain to them that I'm not a typing kind of a person, you know, it takes me very long to sit and message and reply to messages and all of that.
Yeah.
But I'm trying my best. A lot of people give dhamki. I love how when people just say things like I'll unfollow you. I'm telling you, ये last बार लिख रहा हूँ मैं comment. This is the last time I'm writing a comment. And I'm like, should I really reply now? Because then everybody will start saying this is my last time also. So you better
True.
reply to me. So, but I read all of that, I smile, and they're so sweet. You know, they say such things, but they come back and give me love. I put up another post, they write things on that, or they message me, and they just, it's adorable. It's adorable how much people love you for your work, and the kind of
Yeah.
attention, the kind of admiration that I've gotten because of Bandish Bandits. Because uh, in my wildest dream, I wouldn't have कि मेरा डेब्यू होगा और इतना प्यार मिलेगा. नो, आई वाज डेब्यू होगा, फिर थोड़ा टाइम तो लगेगा. Probably it'll take me 5 more 6 years, you know, for
Yeah.
people to settle in and recognize this space. But it happened with the first project, so it just blew my mind, and I'm very happy. I'm very excited.
Okay, so in this series, Bandish Bandits, you're playing this particular learned musician of a particular घराना जो कि
Mhm.
हर 2 सेंटेंस बोलता है और फिर एक राग गा लेता है, ठीक है? तो
Yeah.
मतलब कि ये जो पार्ट है, ये जो कैरेक्टर है, ये जो रोल है, इसे कन्विंसिंगली प्ले करना फॉर अ नॉन म्यूजिशियन. See, music हम सबका passion होता है, ठीक है? I play a lot of music, I listen to it, but I will not be able to match up to the skills of these people, right? So it's a yeah, I love music, but at the same time, I am not even close to what they do, and not I can't even imagine the kind of regime and the kind of investment they have on their art. So हर 2 सेंटेंस में आपको गाना गाना पड़ता था, एंड देन
Correct.
आपको बोलना पड़ता था कि, और वो कन्विंसिंगली गाना गाते थे आप, तो ये
Correct.
कैसे होता था, एंड हाउ डिड यू sort of pull this? How did you manage this? Any trick you had up your sleeves or something that, you know, ऐसे अगर मैं करूंगा तो फिर it will look very convincing?
No, no, not at all. Not at all. When I heard that I'm testing for a musical, all I knew was that, "Arey, yes, lip sync करने को मिलेगा," because I always have grown up admiring actors who lip sync really well, But they were lip syncing to,
And
in my lip syncing was to Bollywood music, For me, lip syncing was "तुम ही देखो ना, ये क्या होगा." When I used to see that, I used to feel like, wow, मजा आ गया, ये
wow.
बंदा गा रहा है सच में, But so I used to really admire that. I really wanted to do that. So I was like, musical, musical, musical. And the moment I signed the show, I came on board, and they asked me to start preparing. Chalo, kal se riyaz chalu. I said, हाँ, riyaz chalu. And I sat in front of the harmonium with the music, with a avatar, with a music coach, and I was like, boss, what is going on? Am I not supposed to run around trees? What is this? Where is my slow-mo shot? So
Yeah.
yeah, it was a whole new ball game altogether, but I loved it. The first hour I spent with Akshat Parekh, who was our musical coach, he blew my mind. With the things he had to say, and the way he
Mm.
said that our practice from here on will be like this, and things he made me look forward to. You know, Okay, by the seventh class you will understand this, and by the 15th class you'll understand that. And I was telling myself, 15th class तक ये आ जाएगा मेरे को? Really, is this really going to happen? Am I really going to understand music
Mm.
that well? And so he really kept my intrigue on, and he really trained me very very well. He was like my partner in crime every time Radhi was about to sing. So
Mm.
the credit goes to him. Yeah, if I look like I'm singing, the credit goes to him. All I had to
हाँ,
do
मतलब कि
was
कोई
just come, practice,
वर्ड
and
नहीं
rehearse.
है, आप जो गा रहे हो उसका कोई वर्ड नहीं है, ठीक है? There are no words, right? And then there are sudden mudkiyas that you're taking. You
Exactly.
you have to learn that
Yeah.
by heart to
Yeah.
sort of, emote with it. I saw
Yeah.
most of these singers, they actually
Yeah.
use their fingers to point towards the sur that they want to attain.
Correct.
That is one trick
Correct.
probably,
Correct.
or the coach probably would have actually. So getting these mannerisms right needs a lot of
Yeah.
rehearsal, needs a lot of practice, and
Absolutely.
knowing the
Absolutely.
knowing the reason for what you're doing and why are you doing it. That is exact the process
That's
probably.
exactly what we
So
were
what was
taught.
the
Yeah,
tenure
absolutely.
like?
The
What
tenure
was the
of
tenure
class.
like? For how long did you practice?
We spent 3 months before shoot practicing the songs
Okay.
and learning classical music. But 3 months is,
Okay.
I'll take 30 more years to actually learn classical music. So 3 months is nothing.
Right.
But it was a good introduction for me to the world of classical music. And from there on, every day, we shot for 80 days. And all those days, every day, Akshat was with me on set. Every time I had to sing, even when I didn't have to sing, he was just there with me. So we used to practice between takes, between shots. If some other scene is going on where I'm not required, we used to sit in the van and we used to keep
Mm-hmm.
rehearsing for the song that we might shoot in the evening or day after. And we used to just, the rehearsal was on 24/7. It was me
Okay.
doing scenes, taking a break, rehearsing for music, or doing music, taking a break, learning music. So music was on 24/7 for 1.5 years with me. So yeah, I guess it
तो
paid off.
अभी आप कोई राग वाग गा सकते हो? Can you sing 2, 3? No, you can't. I'm sure you
क्यों
can.
कर
For
रहे हैं
three
आप?
months you've been
Why are you doing?
practicing.
No.
Come
I
on.
can. I've become a better listener. Uh, but can I sing? No, not at all. But honestly, you know what? Today I'm going to do this. I'm
Mhm.
absolutely going to do this, and I've been asked in so many interviews, and for whoever's there, guys, people who's watching this, all of you people who've constantly said, Ritwik, sing something, and I've said that I cannot sing. It is the truth that I cannot sing. I have not learned how to sing. But just for proof, the fact that I cannot sing, today I'm going to sing for you guys. So that
Oh,
इसके बाद
nice.
you will not ask me to sing ever. Okay? And please
Let's
just
see.
just let's do this. I'm going to, and just I'm telling you right now, I'm going to croak. I sing very badly. And after years and years of not touching my guitar. I've started playing my guitar again. So let's do this. आज तो मैं गा के ही
Whoa.
छोड़ूंगा, and you will have to
Now this
listen
is
to
a
it,
moment. This is a moment. This is a moment. I like it.
and you guys will have. Don't run away. ठीक है? There is no. You cannot quit this live while I'm singing. So just
Okay.
stay and listen to it. Bear with me, please. Even I'm playing the guitar after very long, the strings are rusted or pretty much done. Just bear with
Cool.
me. This is a song. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. I can hear you.
Super. Can you hear the guitar?
Yes, audible.
Okay,
Perfect.
super. Okay, great. This is a song from a Bengali movie called Shamantural, and it's a beautiful song, and I'm in awe of this song. I've been
Shantam.
hearing it from a couple of years now. So here we go. I'm very nervous, so just bear with me. হাসিনি যখনই তোরই হলো এই ও তুই ছুরি যখন দু চোখে আসেছি বাহারি রাতে কি দু চোখে আসলো সি বাহারি রাতে কি আর সেই রোদে চিঠি পাঠালে তুই যখন তোরই হলো এই
Very nice.
Thank you.
Very
Thank you.
sweet. Very
And
sweet.
इसके बाद मैं कभी नहीं गाने वाला guys. Just letting you all know. This was once and for all.
Okay. Actually, so do you know that there is another series that has come up in the regional language Bangla? It's also a musical. It's called Tanshene
Tanshane is
Tanpura.
Tanpura. Yes, of course. Of course, I've heard of this. I've not watched it yet,
Okay.
but I've heard of it and I've heard great things about it. People have told me
Yeah.
it's a very fine show and it's a very good show and it is in Bangla. So I must watch it. So very soon I'm going to watch it too. Where is it
So
on?
when
Can
are
you tell
we
me
going
which
to see you
platform? Where
in
can I
some
find it?
sort of Bangla chobi? Maybe a
Ari,
Bangla chobi or a
please,
series?
please, are you in Kolkata right now?
Yes, of course I am.
Every time you speak to a filmmaker or film producer, whether they come on your radio show or they come to your live show, you have to tell them that there is an actor called Ritwik Bhaumik in Bombay. ও বাঙালি, ও ভালো বাংলা বলতে পারে, আর ও বাঙালি ছবিতে কাজ করতে চায়, ওকে নিয়ে নাও. I'm sitting right here. I'm ready. I will take the first flight and I'll come there because I love Bengali movies. I love Bengali filmmakers and the kind of stories they have to say. So I'm just waiting for people to just offer me something.
Perfect. Now that's something. Okay, so there are a lot of your fans who want to know some certain things about you. So there's a list of questions they had sent me before. I'm going to ask those questions to you. Okay. So
Okay.
Piali wanted to ask that what is a perfect leisure for you? Is it going for a swim or reading a book?
Reading a book any day. Reading a book, listening to music. The two things I do very often
Bangali
and two things that
afterward.
really হ্যাঁ মানে ওই বাঙালির রক্ত তো আছে না ভেতরে কি আর করবো
হ্যাঁ, কিছু করার নেই। Okay, the second question Showman wanted to ask, আলু ভাজা না আলু পোস্ত?
আলু ভাজা আলু ভাজা লুচির সাথে রুটির সাথে পরোটার সাথে আলু ভাজা
Okay,
anything.
perfect. Acha, so I don't know whether you've been in Kolkata before. Have you been
Many
in
times,
Kolkata?
yes.
Many a
Many
times.
times,
So
yes.
কলকাতার মানুষদের তিনটে ফেভারিট ডেস্টিনেশন আছে। I don't know whether you're aware of it, but এই তিনটেকে কম্বাইন করে আমরা বলি দীপুদা। বাঙালিদের
দীপুদা
দীপুদা হচ্ছে দীঘা, দীপুদা হচ্ছে
দীঘা
দীঘা, পুরী আর দার্জিলিং। ঠিক আছে?
দীঘা
So
পুরী
এই
দার্জিলিং
তিনটে ডেস্টিনেশনের মধ্যে তুমি কোনোটায় গেছো and which one is your favorite? This one was by Oshwini.
আমি
No?
না দিতে গেছি না পুতে গেছি না দাতে গেছি আজ পর্যন্ত কিন্তু
Oh,
no, I've not been to any of the three, but I really want to go to Darjeeling very soon.
you want to go to Darjeeling? Okay.
I'm a hill station person.
Kevin says a breakfast is amazing. Can you hear me? Can
Thank
you
you
hear
for
me?
the suggestion. I will be there.
Ritvik? Ritvik, are you there?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Can you see
I
me?
just didn't get you. I just didn't get you. What were you saying?
No, no, I said Kevin does it breakfast. I'm coming for it very, very soon.
আচ্ছা, ওকে। এটা আরেকজন মহিলা জানতে চেয়েছে and her name is Shalini. She wants to know whether you would prefer a hot girl as a girlfriend or a cute girl as a girlfriend.
I would prefer a funny girl as my girlfriend. Whoever can make me laugh has my heart. As simple as that.
How sweet is that? Okay, so what is a perfect date according to you? And a guy wants to know this. His name is also Rahul. नाम तो सुना ही होगा.
हाय हाय राहुल ये तो तुम्हें मुझे कहना चाहिए कि व्हाट इज द परफेक्ट डेट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू इस नाम के साथ यू मस्ट हैव गॉन टू अ लॉट ऑफ डेट्स बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी it would be watching a movie. That's it. If I can enjoy watching a film with someone, I think I can spend the rest of the day also with someone. So
Now you
I
are the
need a good
national
movie watching
crush right
partner.
now. You would watch what?
I said if I can comfortably watch a movie with someone, then I think that's quite a big.
Okay. So this is Joita, and she said that you're the national crush right now. But who
Okay,
is
Joita.
your current crush?
Hi, my all-time crush is Tina Kaif. She has my
Okay.
heart. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, the weirdest and the oddest habit that you have, or you had, you had, but then you don't have it right now. Something really odd, something that you did as a child, maybe, or as a teenager, something that you really, really are ashamed of, maybe.
Ashamed of. I don't know. I used to watch whichever film I used to watch as a child, in the theater. That back home and by myself, I used to enact scenes. Like even if I had seen Spider-Man, I used to try and climb the walls of my home and all of that.
But that's
If
not weird. Every child does
yeah,
that.
that's not
I'll tell
weird
you
at
what's
all.
weird. I'll tell you
Yeah.
what's weird. I used to eat toothpaste, like literally eat it in breakfast. I'm not joking. I used to finish tubes of toothpaste. That's weird, right? I could
That
even,
is quite
yeah, I
weird.
used to chew chalk. I used to chew chalk. Even, we had these pencils which had আলাদা করে লেডের শীষ থাকতো যেগুলো ওই পেনের মতন দেখতে ওর মধ্যে ঢোকাতে হতো. I
Yeah,
used to
pen
eat
pencil.
that. Yeah, I used to eat that. Yeah, like that's odd, right? So is
How are
there
you
anything
alive?
that anything? Yeah, yeah, I
No,
used to do that.
no, no. I've never done any such thing. I don't know why. Is something wrong with my childhood? Why didn't I ever eat chalk? I don't know. But
You haven't tried eating bhar? Like चायर भाड़े भाड़ खावा?
nah,
So we used to drink tea
nah,
and then we used to chew on it also.
no. I was not allowed to drink tea. I was still till I was like 18 or 19 or something. I had never had. So all of these habits
No,
never came to me.
I started having tea when I was 15 and বাইরে গিয়ে চায়ের ভাঁড়টাও আমি চিবোতাম. A lot of my friends used to do it with me and used to get immense pleasure out of it. I don't know why. I mean, what is it with lal mati and bhad? I don't understand. But yeah, that's
I mean,
weird, right? That question was by
I will
Arunanshu.
try it. Okay, Arunanshu, but
Okay,
no, I don't have any weird habits.
no, okay. So one lesson that you've learned the ugly way from Bandish Bandits. This is my question.
The ugly way. Um,
मतलब झाड़ परी हो या कुछ मतलब कुछ ऐसा हुआ हो जिससे आपको पता चला कि अरे भाई ये तो नहीं करना चाहिए था. Next time I'll take care of this. Anything that actually turned quite ugly.
Nothing turned ugly, but one of the biggest lessons I got personally as an actor after working in the show is that don't make everything cerebral. Acting is not rocket science. The more you pressurize yourself with ये करना है फिर उसको ऐसे करना है, and what are the layers of this and that, and we watch these interviews of all these great actors and talking about their characters, or even new actors just saying कि, actually I was doing this and then I became that and that's how my character came out. These things have really corrupted us as artists because it's great to have coffee table conversations about acting like that, but acting is not really about a textbook theory. There is a lot to learn. There's a lot of theory to understand. A lot of methods being spoken about. But at the end of the day, what you do comes from a very personal space. It's your interpretation of a certain thing. So just feel, just be, just concentrate, just imagine, and just have fun. If you make it cerebral, you're definitely going to go into deep waters with it, and it won't help you. So yeah, that's one of the finest things I've learned on this show.
Oh, fantastic. Now, just to compliment you because you actually
Do
graced
you have
my
a dog?
Instagram with your presence. Oh, I have many dogs and cats. I live in a zoo.
Yeah, that is so cool.
Yeah, you want to see
Please
my
tell them I
dog,
said
Booji?
hi. Yes, yes.
These
What's
are
his
all
name?
my indie babies that I've adopted. Her name is
So
Booji
cutie.
because she understands everything.
Booty.
That's why she
Booty.
understands everything. That's why Booji.
I look at her
Yeah.
eyes.
And I have a
She's so
cat and
pretty.
his name is Lokhi Kanto. You want to see Lokhi Kanto?
Yes,
Hold
I
on.
would love to
Lokhi.
see Loki Kanto.
Yeah. So I have another cat and his name is Promise. I have many cats and dogs. Even at times I feel like a cat or a dog myself only. So yeah. Now, because you graced my Instagram with your presence and you had this, you're such a sweet person that you agreed that you're going to come live with this whole interview session, I'm going to give you a compliment. And the compliment is कि अगर कभी भी life में acting doesn't work, you should become an RJ because you've got a great voice, my friend. The first thing that I noticed when I actually started watching Bandish Bandits is that this amazing baritone वाला एक लड़का जो कि इतना दुबला पतला है, लेकिन कोई अगर आंख बंद करके उसको सुने तो लगे कि अमिताभ बच्चन बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है.
Oh yeah.
So
Oh yeah.
you really have a very good voice, dude. And I wanted to tell this to you that I don't know whether you've tried being an RJ or not, but if at all you want to, you should definitely give it a try.
As much as I love acting and everything, I would love to try being an RJ someday. If at least I would love to play an RJ in some film or some show because it's a very, very intriguing profession. And I love
Yeah.
what you guys do. And there's so much that you guys express and so much that you guys deliver and so much that you guys have to offer just by the medium of your voice that it really amuses me and it amazes me. And that has always had my attention. So hopefully one day I will definitely try doing that.
Sure. Thank you, Ritvik. Thank you so much for giving us this beautiful, beautiful
Thank you.
session.
Can I use the next 5 minutes and just because we are live and I know a lot of people get upset if I don't talk to them directly. So if
Yes,
anybody
please
wants
go
to
ahead.
ask
Please go ahead.
anything
You want to
to the
take the
two of us,
comments?
yes, anybody wants to ask anything to the two of us can go.
Yeah. So, guys, if you really want to ask any question, wait. We have Ritvik with us for the next 5 minutes. Go ahead. Ask the questions. I'm going to scroll down. Huh.
Yes,
Puch
it is
le.
perfect. Show your
You are
style.
so
She's super
adorable,
cute.
Ritvik. Love you,
Avantika
love you,
ji.
love you. Oh, you're so cute. You're so charming. You're so handsome. ये सब तो होएगा ही. Okay. Hi,
What is
Ritvik.
charming?
How are you,
What is
sir?
your so charming? Where to watch Dhushor? यार
Radhe was a very
Dhushor ना
strong
एखोनो কোথাও
character. You
আসেনি.
just nailed it, brother. With Bandish versus
Thank you. Who's my
Bandits.
favorite versus? Who's your favorite Bengali actor? Currently Porum Rotoda. I love his work.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I really like
What's
his
your
work.
next project? This is
Yeah,
Blog It with Ritz.
very soon. I'm going to tell you guys what my next project is. It's just that it's not the right time yet to speak about it, but very soon.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite Avenger?
अगर अगर ऋत्विक यहाँ पे बोल देगा तो ये Instagram लाइव थोड़ा वायरल ना हो जाएगा, हाँ?
नहीं. Nothing is
Why
confirmed
would he
yet. That's
even
why I
do
can't
that,
talk
huh?
about it.
Yeah, of course he can't talk about it. He won't be able to say
How is
anything.
it? How
Okay,
is it working in
Radhika says
cargo?
marry me, Ritwik.
Sweetie, कर लेते शादी में बता रहा. Working
Of
in Cargo
course.
was fab, huh, guys? And whoever's seen Cargo, thank you firstly for watching it. Secondly, please spread the word. It's a fantastic movie. And I'm just so happy that a film like that has come out and somebody's made a science fiction film in India. And with such a great concept, Aarti Kadhav is a fantastic director. Watch Cargo.
Mhm.
And even if you watch it for me, see, I'm there in the film for 2 minutes, exactly 2 minutes. So even if you're watching it for me, just watch the entire film and just make sure you spread the word because it's a very good film and it's very close to my heart and I love Aarti. So just go ahead and spread the word.
Hey, there's an
Thank
interesting
you.
one here. Ishita asks if you had to play any fictional character, what would that be?
Like fiction out of a novel fiction? No, because every character
Any
is fictional.
fictional character, like not a real character, maybe a fictional in the sense the novel fictions we have actually seen so far. Maybe a Sherlock Holmes or a
Oh,
like
I
a
would love to.
villain.
Oh, I
Ah.
would give life to play Feluda. I
But
would
right
give
now you are just
everything
on
up.
Topshe's age, na? Now you'll only manage Topshe, trust me. You
Just give
will
me
not
few more
manage
years.
Feluda.
তোপসে 16-17 বয়স ওর বছর
তোমাকে
বয়স ছিল
দেখতে ওরকমই লাগে, তোমাকে একটা ছোকরার
না
মতন দেখতে লাগে।
আমি I'm very close to my 30s, so let's not even
Oh,
discuss this.
please. But you don't, but men have this advantage, na? They don't look their age, man. This is so cool.
No, no, don't
Okay.
generalize the compliment. I don't look my age. I'm actually very young.
Okay. See, what is this? Harsh Shetty is also saying the same thing. He said that you've got a really good voice. You should try being an RJ. The same thing.
Thank you so much.
But
Thank
dude,
you.
you know, RJs are no more about the voice only. They are also like, you know, the bigger game is to be or to become a personality. You know,
Personality, absolutely.
yeah. So it's not just the voice anymore.
Yeah,
And
but
you're
to
the
just emit,
cutest.
we will love a Ritvik Feluda. Please, please, just go and just make this viral. Make it hashtag Ritvik Feluda. Then they have to
Oh,
cast me. They have to take me.
yes. Sing song.
You
अच्छा
speak Kannada too?
गाना गाने
I
के
do
लिए
speak
बोल रहे
Kannada.
थे.
नहीं गाना मैंने गा लिया यार अब मैं तभी बोल दिया था मैं फिर से नहीं गाऊंगा Your voice is
Enough
so
of
deep, Adi
OTT का
Bengal.
influence. I did
Okay,
that already. I think you've more or less, you know,
what's that?
covered. So people are
We've
again
covered everything.
asking about
So
the OTT and how the film industry is getting shaped by it and all of that. So yeah, so we've already
okay, then it's great.
spoken about it,
We
and
have
it's going to
yes,
be here on IGTV, so you can actually go and check what Ritvik had to say on that. And
yes,
and and
absolutely.
and
So Antika,
আমি তোমার
uh,
পোর্ট্রেট এঁকেছিলাম সোমদত্তা is saying that I actually drew a portrait of Ritvik and
how
I
sweet.
sent it to him, but he's not seen my portrait.
Sweetie, just tag me. I see pictures more often than DMs. Just tag me. I will see it for sure. I mean, actually, I will go and I'll see it today for sure. Okay,
Wonderful.
Avantika, this was fantastic.
Yes. Yes,
Thank
it
you
was.
so
It
much
was
for having
fantastic.
me.
Thank
And
you so much
hopefully
for
we
being
do
here.
this again soon. And please
Yes.
remember your promise. Every filmmaker, actor, producer you're going to interview from here on in the Kolkata film industry, you're going to remind them that Hrithik Bhomik was asking for you.
For sure. For sure. That's a promise.
Okay, great,
Take care, buddy. Thank you
superb.
for your time. Thank you.
Thank
God
you so
bless.
much for
Take
having
care.
me. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, bye, bye. And I don't know how to end this. Oh, yes, I do know how to end this. Hey, we had fun. We had fun. Thank you, guys. আমি এটাকে IGTV-তে দিয়ে দিচ্ছি because a lot of you guys are missing it right now, the interview. So in case you want to watch it later, you are most welcome. It is here to stay on IGTV. Thank you so much, Mirchi Ayantika আপনার সঙ্গে এতক্ষণ ছিল. Please start, you know, scrolling down my handle for pictures and videos, and also put love signs there and comment and share and do whatever you have to. Thank you, guys. Thank you. God bless. Bye.